Mom?
So many stars, but which way is home? What do I do?
Flicker! Are you here to help me?
Excuse me, Mr. Firefly. I'm lost. Can you help me find my way home?
This way, Fluffy One. Follow the light.
Do not be afraid, little one. You are never truly alone in this great forest. Old Owl, the others left, and I can't find my way. I'm scared and I don't know how to fly yet.
My mummy went to get berries, and when I woke up, she was gone.
The sky always tells a story.
Tiny, do you see the patterns in the sky?
Do you see the patterns? The sky's own map?
See how the two stars at the end of the dipper point right to it? That is the North Star, unwavering.
I see it now. It connects.
Look up, Tiny. Every star tells a story, a glimmering secret of the forest waiting to be heard by those who listen closely.
You see how they shift through the night. Yet, they always return right where they belong. So, if Mom always flies towards the Twin Peaks, and the Twin Peaks are under the Hunter's Belt.
There, the Hunter's Belt, and the Twin Peaks are just beyond.
Excellent, Tiny. You've learned to read the sky's whispers. He's so tiny, but he understood.
It's like a secret language. Thank you, Mr. Owl. I think I can find her now.
Tiny! Oh, my little one. How did you find me?
Mr. Owl taught me to read the stars, Mom. The Hunter's Belt led me right to you.
My clever little star reader.
Hello, new here. I'm Pip. What's your name?
Don't be shy. My name's Pip. What's yours?
T.
join us. Notice anything strange in this garden? Why are some flowers so sad? Look at Buzz. He loves the sun, doesn't he? But maybe... Good morning, little Buzz. You seem to be enjoying the day.
Indeed. The garden was alive with possibility. Oh, hello, Ladybug! Yes, the sun is magnificent today. I've found the very best spot.
Indeed, a very bright spot. But look around, dear one. They don't look very happy.
These flowers are fading, young one. Your light sustains life.
Oh, I see now.
But I like my sunbeam. It's so warm.
Imagine how much warmer the whole garden would be if everyone had a little bit of that warmth.
Thank you, Buzz. I feel so much better. Me too. Buzz learned that sharing the sunshine doesn't make your own light dimmer. It makes the whole world brighter. And a garden where every flower shines is the happiest garden of all. What is this feeling? And where does this compass want to go? He looks stuck. like sunshine inside. As a desire to comfort washes over him, and the magical compass glows, pointing directly at the owl chick.
Hello there! Are you all right? Right?
I can't fly across. It's too fast.
We could wait for your parents, or you could try a small flap. Don't worry, I promise to stay nearby.